we studied group satisfy 4 property, non-empty set, and two type of group, finite and infinite. So infinite, finite is like if I take G is equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I. This is finite group and order is 4. What is the order? Order is the number of element in a group. And if I take G minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. So this is example of AND operation. I say suppose addition, and here we take multiplication. So this is set of integer and order of G is infinite because the number of element in G infinite. But one thing we see here, one new thing, in this group we see that order of G is 4, and another thing, there is some element which can, like if I take I, because operation is multiplication, then I into I, or I can say this is I square, I cube, I4, I5 and so on. All these elements, because it is closed with respect to multiplication, must belong to G. But G is finite, so these element seems like infinite, but they are not infinite. They cannot exceed the number 4. That means there is a repetition start. Like this is the first element I, and this is minus 1, and this is minus I, and this is 1, and this I4 is again I. That means the fifth power start repeating. That means actually from here we get an idea order of element. That means order of I is the least positive integer if integer n is called order of an element if an is equal to identity. Now in case of this is the definition, Now in case of I, we see order of I is 4 because no smaller number than 4 can make identity I equal to identity. So only the least number is 4, where I4 become 1. But greater number are many, like you can say I8 also make, this is 1, but this number is not fit in the definition. Definition is the least positive integer n, right? So what actually happened here, we notice that I generate all element, that means I generate all element of G. So the I element we call generator. I is the generator of G. So in general we can say if G is any group, so how I define generator? So definition of generator is an element A belong to G is called generator of G if each X belong to G, there exists some N such that X is equal to AN. X, that means X can be written in the form of A after some power. Like here in this example we can say that -1 is, because I am taking I is the generator of this G, then what is -I in terms of I, -1 in terms of I. So we can say that this is I square. Similarly, each element we can write, and one is I4. That means each element, each X of G can be represented some power of A. Then A is generator. Another part, if a group can be represented by some element A, then the group is called cyclic. That means now we define the cyclic group. Cycle group. A group G is called cyclic if there exists some A in G such that each X of G is or can be written in terms of A, can be written X is equal to AN for some N belong to Z. N belong to Z. That means each element can be represented by A. Then we say cyclic group. So the example already you have seen that G is 1 minus 1, I minus I can be written I. That means the notation for cyclic group we use G is equal to A. That means A means this contains the element A0, A1, A2, AN minus 1. AN minus 1. Where AN is equal to E. Then order of G is N. That means these N element, this element generate N element A0, A1, A2, AN minus 1, and after this when we increase it become identity. That means the same process start repeating, otherwise it will not be finite. And then order of G we call N, right? So this is the definition of cyclic group. Definition of cyclic group. Now show that Z4 is cyclic and find its generators. So this is the question. First, what is Z4? Z4 is 0, 1, 2, 3, and operation is obviously addition modulo 4, right? Order of Z4 simply 4. Now I say, because the operation is addition modulo, so I claim that generator is 1. How? 1 is 1, 1 is added to 1, then it become 2, and 2 is divided by 4, we get 2. Similarly, 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is less than 3, so 3. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 4, and 4 is completely divided by 4, that means this is 0. So from 1 we can make all element, and if we go ahead, this 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that means 5, then this 5 is when divided by 4, what happen? We get 1. So it start repeating. So this is not needed. This is not needed. Same will happen with the 6. Another, can 2 be the generator? Okay, we check. Can 2 be the generator of Z4? Simply, if 2 is 1, one time I take 2, then 2 plus 2, it become 4, that means this element gives 0, and 2 plus 2 plus 2, if I give, then it becomes 6, and when divided by 4, because operation is addition modulo 4, this become again 2. Similarly, if I add 4 times, then this become 8, 8 is divided 0. Similarly, when it is 10, again 2, that means it cannot produce, 2 is not able to produce the element 1 and 3. It only produce 2 element, 2 and 0. That means the other element are not produced by 2 except the 2 element, therefore this cannot be generator. Now what about the 3? Okay, 3 when added to 3 we get 6. So this is, I am taking 3, 6 is divided by 4, 2. Now 3 plus 3 plus 3, this become 9, and 9 divided by this give 1. This 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, this is 12. When divided by 4, we get 0. And again 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 15. 15 divided, I get again 3. That means it start repeating. That means 3 and 2, 3 and 1 are its generator. 0 also not able to generate any element. So simply we can say the generators of Z4 are 1 and 3. 2 and 0 cannot be generator. 2 and 0 cannot be generator, right?